Greetings everyone. In today's video, we will quickly learn how you can add an image pop-up to WordPress websites, only using simple codes and no plugins. Basically, something like this. Let's get started. For more WordPress content, please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Now, we will be adding an image pop-up to our demo website. Let's learn WordPress.com/demo. So we will add the image pop-up to this page. By the way, this website is using Enfold theme. This method should work on other themes as well, but you might have to do some changes on the CSS code. So, to add the pop-up, let's log in to the dashboard wp-admin. Enter the credentials. So we are in the dashboard. Let me quickly open the site again. So first, we will add the image pop-up only to this page. Here we have all the files required, and this will be provided. So this is the image we want to use as the pop-up. First, upload this image. Go to Media, Add New. Select Files and upload the image. So it is done. Let me copy the URL. Quickly checking if this works or not, so it works. So first, we need to use this HTML. Now, wherever you want to use the image pop-up, we need to add this code. In image src, we need to add the image URL. As we are using this image as pop-up, let me copy the URL and paste it here. For this alt text, write anything that describes the image. For width and height, write as per the requirements. I will write as per the image size. So it is 600 by 347. Now, I would need to add a link. Let me copy our YouTube channel link. Let me copy this and paste it here. This target_blank is to open the link in the new window. If you delete this, it will open in the same window. Anyway, let me copy this all. And since I want the pop-up on this page, I will edit this page. Again, a reminder, I am using Enfold theme, but this should work with other themes as well by editing the CSS. Anyway, I will simply add a text block. Open this and go to text and paste the code. You should see the image and it should have the link. Save it and update the page. Let me open this page. So you will see this image here. And if you click here, it goes to the YouTube link. Now, we will make this a pop-up. To do that, we need to add some CSS and JavaScript. For that, go to Customize and go to Additional CSS. By the way, instead of adding the CSS here, you can also use the CSS where the theme permits. But I will simply add it here. Here is the CSS we need. Let me copy this all. And paste it here. You can customize the CSS. If you want to change the background color on pop-up, you can change the color here. This is the pop-up box. You might have to change this percentage to position the image properly as per your theme. And this one is for the close button. Anyway, let me publish this. So it is published. The image will be gone after the CSS. Now the final step is to add the JavaScript code to make the image appear after a few seconds. So here is the JS code. Here is the code. All you have to do is change this. This 3 represents that the pop-up will open after 3 seconds. You can change this to 4 or 5 seconds as required. Anyway, copy this code. Let me go to the site's dashboard. Go to Appearance and Theme Editor. Go to Theme Functions. Scroll down and paste the code here. Update file. So the file has been updated. Let me check this page. You will have to wait 3 seconds. So here is the pop-up. If I click here, it will open the link. And you can close this here. If I go to other pages, the pop-up will not appear, only to the page where we added the code. The pop-up will appear after 3 seconds. We can also make this pop-up appear on every page. Let me go back to the page and delete the earlier code we added here. And update the file. Let me quickly check. So there is no pop-up. So instead of adding the code to a particular page, we add the code to the footer. To do that, go to Appearance and Widget. You can add it to any of these footer columns. I will choose column 4. Simply drag the custom HTML and paste the code here and save it. So it is done. Now, if I refresh this page, it should work as CSS and JS have been added earlier. So you can see it appears after 3 seconds. Let me check other pages. So you can see it is working on other pages too. So you can use it either on a single page, multiple pages, or on the footer. Also, please note, you might have to play with the CSS to change the position of this image. It depends on your theme. On the CSS we added earlier. If I change this to different values as required, and refresh this page, you can see the position has been changed. So please make the adjustments as per your theme. So please work around with the CSS as per your requirements. Thank you very much.